time for the dresser. And my dresser is back here, and I'm going to try and put it together by myself. We'll see how long this takes me, but hopefully it's quick. I believe I did that by myself and it took me a little bit. Anyways, I'm gonna put it away in my room. It's pretty heavy. I did it out in the bonus room, so let's hope I can put it away. So the dresser's officially in. Ignore the fanny pack on the floor, it fell from up there. The dresser's in. I love it. Okay, so now that the dresser's done, we have to get started on the desk. I'm loving the dresser. Now I have to put all of my clothes. This is like most of my clothes, and then I have more in the laundry room. We're gonna try and get all of that fitting in this, hopefully successfully. If not, then I have these drawers at the bottom of my bed that I can try fitting some clothes into too as well. But I also have this bin of a bunch of stuff from my old house that I brought here. So like all my old like Korean learning and my beads and like all my this like stuff that I wanted to keep really badly. So we're gonna try and find a place for all of those stuff to stay as well. But yeah, let's hopefully this goes well. We'll see. So I finished putting everything away in the drawers. So for the most part, everything is done. I'm so and my mom's still working on the desk over here. Gotten so much done. I'm gonna help her now with the rest of this desk. Is it kind of small? The desk is smaller than I thought it would be. What do you think? Do you think it's small? The desk is done. I'll show. So it's one of those standing desks, so I can adjust the height and it moves up. You can kind of see. It moves up and down, which is good. Next thing we have to put together is the desk chair, and then it's all sorted. And then the last part of the video will probably be me just putting up all my decoration, putting up all the stuff. Although this is only going to be part one of like decorating that room, I have a few things that I want to put up that I brought from home, from my old house, that I wanted to put up in this room, and I'm so excited. Now that the chair's done, I can show you its mechanics. It is it's like Pinmico, well, I don't know how to say it, but this chair basically, it can move 360, and this also, like, both sides move 360. So there's like oops, like this, cross-legged, up, down, whatever you like, whatever feels good for you. That's why I decided to get it, because I just wanted somewhere I can sit comfortably while I'm doing schoolwork, and most office chairs just do not have that comfortability at all. Like you have to add a stool, or just, it's not comfortable. So definitely needed something like this, and it fits perfectly under my desk. Now it's time for me to put away this box of stuff from my old house that I brought with me, full of stuff like my vision board, K-pop stuff, like notebooks, all that kind of stuff. I'm gonna put it away kind of like under the bed. Oh no, not shove it under the bed, but there's drawers under the bed, as we know already. I think I said that already. I'm gonna put everything away, create some space to kind of clean up, and then I'm gonna start decorating. So I finished packing everything away pretty much. Oh, there's still so much cleaning to do still, like, you know, at least I got this done. I just need to like relax, because like, I don't know, putting stuff away, especially after you just moved, it's just, I don't like that. So it's been a hot minute. And by a hot minute, I mean like 2 months. Don't ask me how we got there. But since it's been 2 months, a lot has changed. I've gotten new decorations, I've gotten new stuff for my room, and we're just gonna try and figure it out, put them anywhere in this video, for the rest of the video. Like I said, I got all the furniture built, I got my dresser done, I got the bed done, I got my desk done, and now we're gonna take this room from a D to an A. Okay, maybe a B plus. So for the decoration, I kind of wanted to start with some bedding. I got some cute pillowcases from Amazon and a comforter from Amazon as well that I'm going to put on the bed. However, I do need to put it a duvet insert in first, which is crazy because why doesn't it come with a duvet insert? But I digress. So we're gonna try and get that in first, and then we're gonna spread the bed with it. Yes, it's wrinkly. I washed it. I tried to get the wrinkles out, but it's so hard. It is so hard to try and get wrinkles out of a big comforter. So we're not even gonna deal with it. Don't mind, please. So here is the duvet insert. I got it from, not Amazon. I was gonna say Amazon again. I got it from, where was it? Target. I think does it say Target on here? I'm not sure, but I got this in. This is the duvet insert. It's supposed to be nice and lightweight and stuff like that. So we're gonna open it up and see if it fits inside of our comforter. So I think it worked. This is the comforter. It's a little wrinkly, but I don't know what to do about that. So I guess it's just time to spread the bed and then put some pillows on. So here's the finished product. It looks really nice. I like it. The donuts are so cute. I hope you to be happy. Okay. But this is how it looks. I love it. It's so cute. I think I'm gonna get silk bed sheets for under this one day, but not for now. I'm gonna leave it. But yeah, this is cute. I like the finished product. Now you're joining me on the floor again. I got this huge pink mat, which is in here, this ugly brown box. But I got this huge pink mat for underneath my desk as a desk mat because I wanted to protect the carpet from the rolling desk or the rolling chair. So I'm gonna put this pink mat underneath and see how I can do this without getting anything messed up here. So we're gonna have to move the desk and then try and put it under. Now it's done, but it's not the pink I thought it was going to be. I think this is good for now, but it's gonna protect carpet from getting any damage to it from the chair, so I think it's good for now. So I got some pretty cool posters to hang up in my room. I printed them off at Walgreens, and I got these frames. These cheap frames. I think they were like $4, like $5 at Walmart. The size I went for is 11 by 14, but I'm planning on hanging them up on this wall. As you can see, there's already things to hang them on. Yeah, so I got those, and then I also got a cute Hello Kitty sign, this LED sign that I'm gonna hang up as well. And then I'm going to create something to hang up my Disney ears. So that's gonna go up on the wall as well. So we're gonna use some of these sticky thingies to try and get them up on the wall. I also got two, as if one wasn't enough. I got two Hello Kitty posters, two of them, two. I just love spending money on my Hello Kitty. So yeah, we're gonna get those up on the wall and then we're gonna move on to the next thing. So even though I ordered 11 by 14, they technically did not give me 11 by 14. So I ended up having to cut the posters shorter, which really upsets me. But yeah, I had to cut them. So they're a little uneven, but I just had to get them to fit in the frame. So we're gonna put them in the frames and then we're gonna hang them up on the wall. Now they're all done. I don't want them to fall, so I'm gonna try and get them up on the wall, and hopefully this goes well. I'm so scared. I don't want to drop them or anything. There they are. I absolutely love it. That's so cute. That is so cute. These are the 3 pictures. This one is of Choisan, my bias in 80s, Frank Ocean, and then Cinnamon Roll, my favorite. And I thought this one, this pink, like this chocolate, reminded me of like Neapolitan ice cream. It's so cute, so I got that one printed for sure. So I'm gonna try and get some Hello Kitty posters printed on this side or posted on the side and see how it goes. So I got my double-sided tape. I don't know if this is gonna be strong enough, nor do I have like measurements down to make it look nice and perfect. So we're gonna really cross our fingers here and hope it works. Ooh. Now we've got some posters and pictures up. We're gonna hang up the Hello Kitty LED sign. I got some batteries for it, and then I'm going to hang up a couple of things. I got this for Christmas, so I wanted to hang it up. I thought that it would look really nice with my decor. I'm gonna hang it up on there. I got a candle. I have a little plant that still has a tag on it. Oopsies. And then I got this cute little cinnamon roll night light that lights up. It has different brightnesses, so we're gonna put that up there. And then we're gonna see if there's anything else I want to put that's gonna decorate that area. I think I might put some more stuff up there that I got for my birthday, but that's gonna be for another video. Now, I'm not entirely sure. That looks so good. Sorry, I just have to pause and take a moment. Hello? I'm obsessed with that. That's amazing. That looks wonderful right there. Like, oh my goodness. I cannot believe this. Okay, so now I want to find a place to hang these. I think I might put like just a little like thing so I can put them right here. I don't know. I just grab these and go for when I go to Disney, and I want it to hang a place to hang them. So I might do it there, or I might do it right here, but I want to put a mirror here one day, so I'm not entirely sure. Well, you know what? We're gonna do this a little later. We're gonna save it. However, while we're waiting, I'm gonna decorate these shelves and make them look all cute. So I got this little plant. Let's get the tag. I think I'm gonna put it right here. So it like hangs off, the plant hangs off. We got a candle, which we'll put right here in the corner. We got this, we'll put that right there. The nightlight can go, oh, I don't know. We'll put it, if it fits, right under there for now. So yeah, oh my god, it's looking pretty cute. I love it. Honestly, I was just thinking I could put this right under the Hello Kitty sign. Think about it, guys. Think about it. So I'm gonna get one of these, another one of these, and then I'm gonna put it under the Hello Kitty sign. Oh my god, it's so cute. I think that was a perfect place to put it. I love it. So that's gonna be, I think that's gonna be pretty much it. I don't know if there's any finishing touches I want to make, but we'll see. This behind me is the finished product. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm like actually really loving it. It like looks even better in person. I already got some clips of what it looks like. I tried to do a 0.5 view. It is so pink in here. Okay, let me not be dramatic. It's not that pink, but like there's so much pink reflecting right now in real life that I'm just so happy. I'm just so happy with it. So that will be the end of today's video. There will be a part 3 coming with a haul of things that I got for room decoration that are pretty cheap that you can get as well. So yeah, thanks for watching.